A Cybertruck horrific crash happened in the early hours of the 2nd of November in Guadalajara, Mexico. The Cybertruck's remains look so bad that not even Tesla engineers could recognize what happened. Tesla Cybertruck lead engineer Wes Morrill admitted that he couldn't figure out the crash's dynamics despite having extensive experience with crash simulations. It appears that the Cybertruck rolled over a few times before coming to a rest on its roof. What matters is that everyone in the vehicle walked to tell the story, which is every car maker's main goal. No serious injuries have been reported. While details about the cause of the accident are still under investigation, the incident stands out as one of the few reports involving Tesla's innovative pickup truck in Mexico. If this doesn't convince you Tesla engineered the safest pickup truck in the world, then we don't know what would.